Snowstorm today in the town of Kempful. World famous folk artist Dennis Ramsay. If you ever want a folk art painting, call me 902-365-5044. I live at 27 Canaan, Canaan Avenue, Apartment B, Kempful, Nova Scotia, Canada, postcode B4N2A7. Pen pals, write me a letter. Snowing good today. I cleaned off the steps earlier. See? All you speeders, slow down on Canaan Avenue, please. For the children, pets, and adults. You speeders are a hazard for the children on Canaan Avenue, Kempful. Slow down in all residential areas all over the world. Use some common sense. Speed kills. You get innocent people killed plus yourself. Slow down and live. Snowing good today in the town of Kempful. Hope you enjoy my films. Always give me a thumbs up on my films. There's art videos, singing videos on the YouTube channel.